Hello and welcome to update 5 of my 2D Digger game. It's been quite some time since my last one. I've been doing a lot of other things. There's been Minecraft, there's been Christmas and volunteering job really. But I'm back in the swing of things now. I've been doing quite a bit of work. The first thing you might notice is that the screen is different. What we now have is, whereas before the planets you could choose from were just colour changes or didn't have any effect until the floor had been finished, we now have a select screen. So at the moment we have 6 planets to choose from, and we can use the number keys 1 to 6 to choose which one we want. I think number 3 looks quite nice. So we can see that we have those colour schemes that we saw from the planet. We can also find ores available. What we have are a few graphical changes now, so that the health bar and the fuel gauge are now bars rather than just being numbers. You can see fuel going down while using jetpack, and as before the health bar will go down as well. What else has changed? Nothing's changed for that bit apart from now. When we pause the game, it comes up with what sort of ores we've picked up. With the previous versions it was going to be when you picked up an ore you always got money, but now I'm changing it so that you pick up the ore and you have a certain stock you can have in your cargo, and it'll do some, I'll probably have some sort of upgrade system for picking up more cargo and all that. But that's on the pause menu now, so we can see we have 5 uranium. I gave them all really weird names. But what we can do is press backspace and it'll take us to the planet select again. And what that means is that we can go to different planets from time to time, and if we press 4, now we're going to the, it's brightly coloured one. But our health and our fuel are the same. No, I'm sorry. And what the plan is to have it so that there's a shop at each solar system where the prices of ores and maybe upgrades change depending on where you are. But it'll cost money to go to other planets. Probably not go to other planets actually, go to other solar systems and upgrade all your stuff. If we pause now, we now have Grayanite, which that was a better name, I think. But, the floor count is now at the bottom. That's different now. Was there anything else? Back. I don't think there is. I've been trying to build in release mode now, which means that I could put it online and have people play and test it essentially. Whereas when I was building in, I built in debug, which means that I can test it on my computer and I can check through all the values. Whereas release is what you would buy a game in, and requires I think it requires different files. But hopefully, if I can iron out a couple of bugs I've just found recently, mostly in the pause menu where it's not showing. Oh, we have Luminite. That's probably one of my oldest named ores. I think I had something named Nubalite during my university years in some game we did. Where was I going with that? Yeah, if I can iron out a bug with the pause menu in release where it's not showing the right data at the minute, it's just showing random symbols, I hopefully want to be able to put a file online and have people test it really and see what they're like. I'll probably have to put some sort of disclaimer in saying it's been working, it works fine for me. I'm not sure how it will run on yours or how to actually set it up at the minute. I need to work that out. It could just mean having you download a distribution file for DirectX, which pretty much if you're a gamer you should have anyway, so it might not be too bad. But if I can get it done soon, I'll have the release version put up on probably my Dropbox and on the description of this video, and probably in the playlist as well. Yeah, and then if you want to test it, I might set up a Google Doc, or I think probably maybe comment or leave me a message on my channel, and that'd be good. But that's about it for this update video. I'm hoping going to get more into it, as we had quite a bit of snow recently. It's winter here, and it's pretty hard to do voluntary work in a garden if it's snowing outside, because there's not much to do. But it means more time for me to code, which will be awesome, and also look for a job. But thank you all for watching. I hope to bring you another update on this soon, and probably another Minecraft video later on this week, as I've got a project that's been doing on the Pixel Miner server. So I shall see you then. I'll just finish this level to show that you can still do that, and the counter will go up. Bloop. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.